guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because I picked up some new Charlotte Tilbury products, and you guys know how much I love Charlotte Tilbury. It's gorgeous, darlings. Especially her glowy, beautiful, natural looks. I'm not gonna lie though, Miss Charlotte Tilbury has literally been dropping hot new products every single week, and it's so hard to keep up. Like, girl, why are you trying to make me broke? That's why I'm trying to be more selective when I'm purchasing, because I don't want to keep collecting and collecting more products and let it go to waste and sit in my counter. But anyways, do you notice something different? I typically don't wear rosy toned makeup or mauve-y. I usually love peachy, orangey, bronzy looks, so this is really different for me. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this rosy toned look. If you want to know how I did this and some of the new Charlotte Tilbury products I picked up, keep on watching. I'm going to be talking about the products in more depth when I'm doing the makeup tutorial, but the first product I picked up is Charlotte's Jewel Pot in the color Walk of No Shame. I love this name because it's like empowerment, not being shameful for our actions, honey. She's a whole like collection of like Walk of No Shame, Pillow Talk, Walk of Shame 2, I believe. I don't know. There's just a whole series in this, and she just keeps bringing out more and more and more. I'm not sure how I feel about that. What do you guys think? The next product I picked up is the Collagen Lip Bath. So it's collagen enhanced lip plumping effect, and the color is also Walk of No Shame. And lastly, I got this Beauty Insider birthday gift from Sephora. Yes, my birthday is this month of October. And in this birthday gift, there is Charlotte's Magic Cream, which is very iconic, very famous. Everybody knows about it. And a jewel lip gloss in the color Pink Jewel. Okay, y'all know I have no problem talking, so let's begin this makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for you guys to see this glowy look. Hello, I'm back. So as you guys can see, I don't have any makeup on. I just have my brows done. I do my brows the same way every time. So if you do want to watch how I do my brows, I will link the video above, but obviously watch this video first and then watch the brow video. Other than that, I just have the Bite Beauty Agave Intense Lip Mask in the color Buzzed on my lips to hydrate my lips. And I did use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream on my face. So it's my first time obviously using it. I don't really know if I love it yet, but first impression, it's a very thick cream, like thick. I feel like it's kind of like sitting on top of my skin. It's not really like sinking in. I don't know how I feel about it yet. What do you guys think? But I wanted to use the cream on its own just to see how much glow it would add. And it's supposed to prep your skin for makeup, so I want to see how good it is. And like, I can feel it on top of my skin. I don't know, some people like that, I don't. But anyways, let's continue with the makeup portion of this video. Okay, let's get started. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade 6. You guys see me use this all the time. It's my favorite. So just apply it to your face like this. And then I take my MAC 130 brush, apply some Fix Plus, and blend away. Just remember, this product is not a foundation. It just evens out your skin tone a little bit and adds a nice glow. To conceal, I'm going to use the RMS Coverup in shades 55 and 66. Using my fingers, I'm going to use shade 55 for my under eyes, working from my inner corner and going out. Don't forget to even out your eyelids as well. Do you guys see a difference? Looks like I've been getting a lot of sleep. Next, you want to apply the concealer in both shades around your mouth, wherever you want to conceal. You're going to look a little crazy, but that's okay. I also like to use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in the inner corners just to add a little bit more brightness. I'm using the same brush as before, applying more Fix Plus, and time to blend away. Next, I'm going to blend out my concealer with the Airbrush Concealer Brush number 57 from Sephora. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Real Techniques brush with this YSL Soufflé d'éclat translucent powder. Tap, tap, tap. Make sure to dab the powder on and not swipe, or else it will move the concealer. Okay, our base looks poppin'. Let's move on. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame jeweled pot. It's so pretty. As you can see, it has a divider to keep the product intact. It's a beautiful coppery red cream color. It adds a shiny, bright, jeweled eye look. As you can see, I'm using my fingers to apply it on my eyelids. It's so easy to blend, so moisturizing because there's lots of hydrating oils in it. I'm taking a MAC 239 brush and adding more sparkle to my bottom lids. Next, I'm going to take my MAC 234 brush with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in tan and adding a little bit to my crease for some definition. Okay, taking a MAC 224 brush to blend everything out so there's no harsh lines. This is the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Superb. I don't know if they make this anymore, but I'm using the MAC 219 brush to apply a little bit in my inner corners. I love how it makes my eyes pop. I never wear liner anymore, but this is the Benefit Roller Liner. I'm just using a little bit in the outer corners to give my eye a little bit of a shape. See what I mean? It's like, hi there. Another Benefit favorite, it's the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I love it so much. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer in Teddy, Charlotte Tilbury Bronzer in Tan, and Patrick Ta Blush in Shiso LA. Take your cream bronzer and basically do a 3, so starting at your temple, then your cheeks, and then your jaw. Just trying to hide my double chin. With the Patrick Ta blush, I'm only using the cream side, using my fingers and sticking near my hairline. That way it gives me a more contoured face. Taking the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in tan and putting it everywhere I put the cream bronzer on earlier. Yes, we're looking cute already. Sorry guys, another old product. This is the MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in So Ceylon. It's so pretty. It's like a pinky, champagne-y, silvery blush highlighter duo. This is a MAC Duo Fiber brush, and I'm going to put the product on my cheeks, on the high points of my face, just everywhere for that pinky rosy glow. Using the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Superb with the MAC 129 brush and applying it on the highest points of my cheeks. And a little bit going down my nose, but not too much. We don't want to be shining that much. To set my face a little bit, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder. Just remember, a little bit down your T-zone, and that's it. Time to get wet. Y'all know I love to set my makeup with MAC Fix Plus. It takes away that powdery look from your face and makes it look hydrated. So this is a new product that I'm using by Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and I'm going to be doing a review soon, so watch out for that. Yay, lip gloss time. Let's do the Jewel Lip Gloss by Charlotte Tilbury from the Sephora birthday gift. This color in Pink Jewel looks so pretty. It's a rose pink with gold sparkles. It's a hydrating diamond power infused gloss with a mirror-like multi-dimensional finish that makes your lips look fuller and bigger. This lip gloss also has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which helps moisturize your lips and prevent dry, chapped lips. The next product I'm trying is the Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Lip Bath Gloss in the color Walk of No Shame, which is described as a berry rose. The brush applicator on this lip gloss, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a heart shape, which was very unique and very different to apply lip gloss on my lips. Wow, this color though. But yeah, this brush is really weird to apply lip gloss. I just find like hard to maneuver. I don't know, maybe that's just me. It's a moisturizing lip gloss with skincare ingredients to make lips look fuller. The lip plumping effect comes from mustard sprout extract, which hydrates lips and defines contours to create a fuller appearance. There's also peptides, which moisturize and enhance visible volume. And there's also vitamin A, which improves rough and dry skin. products really quickly. I'm obsessed with this Jewel Eye B-Color Walk of No Shame. I think it's so pretty just to like quickly put on my eyes with my fingers and run out the door if I wanted to wear eyeshadow, which I rarely do. But I love this color for a little bit of sparkle, a little bit like I tried, but I didn't try. Next, this Jewel Gloss is so pretty for every single day for a wash of nudie, glossy color with a little bit of shimmer. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels like a lip oil almost. I really like this color. I think Charlotte just came out with more colors for her holiday collection in this formulation, so I definitely want to pick up a couple more if there's like a darker tone. Next, I love this lip collagen bath in the color Walk of No Shame. I think it's gorgeous. You guys know I typically don't wear mauvey, rosy colors, but this, the pigmentation, the feel of it, how it really plumped up my lips, I am so obsessed. I love this. And I do know this is not a new product. This color is new, but this product is not new. There's a bunch of other colors Charlotte does have. I don't know if the other colors are as pigmented though. That's why I picked up this one, because I do like a little bit of pigment in my glosses. And lastly, the Magic Cream. Again, I'm not really sure about it. I have to try it on for a few more days. I do feel like it's hydrating, but I don't like the fact that it sits on my skin. It doesn't really sink in. So I'm gonna keep trying. Anyway guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day and spending it with me. It really means a lot. Again guys, I'm not a makeup guru. I literally just wear makeup for fun, and I feel like I do the same glowy looks all the time, just different products and different tones. But if you do like videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on these products. If you guys love Charlotte Tilbury, secretly I love Charlotte Tilbury so much. She is literally one of my favorite brands. Also guys, if you don't know this, but there's something called a notification bell, which basically lets you know when I upload future videos. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, which I think is somewhere here, but I could be wrong. And if you're a new subscriber, I hope you do subscribe to my channel and help me grow. And if you guys want to keep on talking, watch me do weird things, my Instagram is justjamiep. And I hope you guys have a lovely day. It's so sunny in Toronto, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.